Hi, my name is Robert Shelley with Shelley Law, and my law firm assists nurse practitioners with employment contract and independent contractor agreement review. Today I'm going to talk about 3 benefits of taking a locum tenens position as a nurse practitioner. So, what is locum tenens, or when you are a locum, what does that mean? Essentially, it means it's a short-term assignment, similar if you were taking a block assignment as an RN, where you are working for an organization, generally for a shorter period of time. Now, if you're taking a block assignment as a nurse, normally it's 13-week blocks, and then, assuming things are going well, you have the opportunity to renew. Whereas locums assignments can be much shorter or much longer. Now, what are the 3 benefits of taking a locums position as an NP? Well, one, it's flexible, and it's kind of up to you what type of setting you want to be in. Meaning, if you only want to work 1 weekend a month as a locums, you can do that. Or if you wanted to take a longer assignment, I've had some clients that have taken, 6-month locum assignment that then they renew for another 6 months. And so it's really up to you where and when you want to work. So it gives a lot of flexibility. The second is compensation. You generally will make more money as a locums than you would as either an independent contractor, working, as yourself, finding the assignments, that type of thing, or as an employee. So almost anyone who works a locums position works through a locums agency. And so the agency has the contract with the facility, and then the agency is the one that goes out and finds the providers to then staff that contract. The reason why you can make more is the type of facilities or organizations that need locum tenens are usually hard to staff areas. So places in rural communities, just kind of, maybe there's a better word for this, but just like undesirable to the general population locations or facilities that are just difficult to find long-term solutions for. And that's why these facilities have to turn to locums tenens, and understanding that they have to pay more to attract people to come there. So how much more can you make as a locums really depends upon the position, but up to 1/3 more is not uncommon. Normally they would pay either via shift or an hourly rate. You're not going to get like a base salary or anything like that, or at least not normally when you're working as a locums. So the second benefit, you just are going to make a lot more. Third, malpractice concerns. Any organization is going to cover your malpractice insurance. You don't have to worry about having to purchase your tail if you have a claims made policy. So that's just one less thing you need to think about. Now, what are the downsides? One, you may have to travel and be away from friends, family, that type of thing, sometimes for an extended period of time. That's the biggest downside. And then, as I kind of mentioned before, it may be at a facility that's not as desirable as another, and it could be due to patient population. The administration of the facility may be kind of below average, make it difficult to work. The coworkers may be difficult to work with. So those are all things that need to be taken into account. Really, the only way that you're going to find that out is to just start working there. So I would suggest, if you're starting with the facility, do not take a long-term, 3-month block, 6-month block without having worked there for at least a little bit. So you need to start off, 1 week, 1 weekend, 2 weeks, that type of thing, to determine if, it's a place that you can work longer than, a week or a weekend. So that's kind of the 3 benefits of being locum tenens as a NP. If you have any questions about your employment contract or independent contractor agreement, Or if you have a locum tenens agreement you want us to take a look at, I'm happy to do that. You can contact us at the contact information listed below in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. And I appreciate you watching the video. Thanks. Bye.